finally, I've been updating since 11. Epic Games Launcher is ass, bro. I don't want to hear nothing about, oh, your Wi-Fi is cheeks. Nah, it's Epic Games Launcher, man. How did it take this long to update that shit, man? Like, the jacket is so clean. Wait. Ah! You already know. Your boy loves them Jordans. I'ma need all that. Give me that shit. Actually, wait, hold on. What is this? Oh, ain't nobody care about this shit. After a lackluster ass event, let's be real here. That shit was hot garbage. I ain't signed up for. Ooh, they changed the. Alright, without further ado, let's take a look at this battle pass. Okay, so for the first page, we got cheeks. You don't really care about. I mean, I guess some people would care about this. I don't really give a fuck. I'm not sure how much of this I can keep in. Swear to God. Okay. Woo! Wait a minute. Oh, that is pretty heat. That's pretty. Ugh, the gooey. Okay. Then you got obviously the alt edit style, artwork, goated artwork as always. Ugh. The Coom glider, bro.
Yes,
my boy.
sir.
Now we got his fucking evil cousin over here. Okay. Anyway. Oh, they squared up. Yeah. Don't let this. You may look cool and shit, but you ain't got nothing on my boy 8-Ball. Relax. Relax. I don't know what this is, bro. This gonna go give someone nightmares. And honestly, this is worse. There he is. Yo, I don't know why I see people online hating on this skin. This skin is fire. Okay, wait. So he gets the second style, but where my boy 1-Ball's edit style at? Bro. All right. You already know what time it is. Give me a second here. Let me just. All right. Let's get into it. We started in build mode. Oh, nah. I might get sweated on. Yeah, fuck it. There you are, my baby. Finally. Ever having to deal with fucking fraud hammer pump? Come in here, see what happens. Buddy. Okay. Wait, moment of truth. Always gotta check, man. Always gotta check. Always. Whenever you get a chance. Where you at? What? Where did he go? He was right here a second ago. Where's the other dude at? Yeah, what's good with you? Yeah, that's right, run. Oh. Yo, what's up, buddy? Oh, shit.
You better stop.
What's up, motherfucker? Yeah. More? Oh, shit. No, bro, I missed too many shots. Are you serious? Bro, it was people after people. Get off my dick. I know what's going wrong. Give me a second, yo. There we go. Okay, those are not real people. The true Chapter 2 experience right here. Ooh, okay, hand delivered. Thank you. Not an actual single human being landed here. Vending machine. Yo, who wanna see a vending machine only loot? No one? Okay. Okay, he's building. He might be real. Like, I don't mean to complain or nothing, but can I find actual players? Like, that'd be nice. You gotta be real. Yeah, what's up, motherfucker? I'm pulling up on you now. Oh, okay, it's one of these.
Oh, give it a toe, boy!
Bruh. So we gonna fight or you gonna keep running? God damn. Woo! Okay. I apologize. Oh! This filthy motherfucker. Oh my. Okay, okay. Okay. Here's the plan. We're gonna drop at Eminem's location. We're gonna do our thing. We're gonna get the minigun. We're gonna get the chopper. And then we just gonna roll our motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Scan faster, bitch. I don't have time for this. Damn it.
Great sniper.
Scan myself again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you
Somebody took the plane again. In the minigun.
Yep, I saw. Chopper, bro. Are they hiding in there?
Yep.
They're getting cooked.
I think they took the plane.
Yeah, they definitely took the chopper. That's a new one.
I see one person.
Hit him, 105. Okay. Yeah! Oh, behind us, behind us. Oh, no, never mind. That's fucking Eminem throwing grenades at the tree. What the hell?
From the...
Yo!
Why
Bro!
are you leaving us, Eminem?
Yo, these hitches are pissing me off. Okay, cool. Okay, I killed his teammate.
Whoa,
341 for a heavy sniper.
I see a car flying to the air again.
Oh, I think that's it.
I woke up in a new.
Oh shit! There's a sniper here.
Try! Try! Try!
Excuse me. Wait,
What?
what? I couldn't see a sniper glare. How? Eminem revived me. Thank
Oh, I know. Well, we gotta fight him. What is that noise? You hear that shit? Dragging their cheeks all across the floor, bruh. Now. Okay, watch out.
89, bro. Sorry, down.
Bro, watch your back, bro.
Surprise, motherfucker!
That makes it fire. Did I just see him fire? Was that a grab? Oh yeah, he's right here. Nice. You hiding in here? Huh? No, he's not hiding in here. Bro, I was just checking. You don't have to.
Oh, I see him.
Where? Oh,
Okay.
I see.
All going to plan.
That's it. Hey, what did I say? We drop Spaghetti Grotto and we get a dub. Like, it's science, man. It's science.
Bro science, definitely.